Hi everyone, I'm Rachel and I'm part of the customer service team at Wallandilly. We have a new customer request portal to make it easier for you to make requests to Council. This is how you log a request. First, head to the Wallandilly Council website. Click on the Report and Issue icon. Then follow the customer portal link, which will take you to the front screen of the portal. Or you can go directly to the portal at portal.wallandilly.nsw.gov.au. For this example, we will be lodging a request to prune a tree. Click the tree icon and this will take you to the request form. You will now need to follow the prompts. The first category is I want to tell you about. We will be selecting a tree or branch. The next category is I want to report. We will choose a tree on public property that needs pruning or requires maintenance. Then you will be asked to give more information about the location. Example, the tree is on a nature strip. A pop-up on your screen will prompt you to log in or create an account. You can continue as a guest, but if you would like to track your request, you will need to create an account. Type in the address where the issue is located, then hit Continue. Next, you will be able to add more details which support your request. You can attach an image if you would like to. Confirm you are not a robot. Hit Submit Request. You will receive a request number which you can follow for updates. Your preferred contact method is how you will be contacted for updates. If you want to see the requests that have been logged for you, go to My Dashboard. Your request will then go to the appropriate action officer who will review your request and schedule any work that is needed. Log back into the portal at any time to keep track of your request.